Hi bestie, hi fam, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing this look. We're keeping it natural, we're just enhancing our skin and keeping it natural like this. And if you are interested to see how I did this look, then stick around and please do subscribe and comment on this video on how you do your makeup and some of the products that you really love when you're doing your makeup. So not to waste your time, let's get into the video so you can see how I did this look. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please make sure to subscribe, comment, like, share, and press that notification button. Hi, welcome to my channel, and I'm gonna be trying out a natural makeup look, my face. So I just washed my face only, and I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it a little bit more natural, and let's do this. Let's give it a try and see how. Okay, the second thing, I'm gonna try into my eyebrows. Just comb them, and this is actually the Isabella Gracia. It's an eyebrow wax, so I'm gonna be using it on my eyebrows. I'm just gonna comb them nicely. Well, my eyebrows are not really, like that nice, but we try. I'm just gonna dump the comb into this eyebrow wax and just put it in my eyebrows so that they can, just stay like that for a while. And just quickly do the other side. Okay, right, we're good. And then next up, I have a highlighter, so I can just round it up around my eyebrows. They usually say it makes it easier just to do your whole makeup, so I'm also using the Isabella Garcia International concealer. It's like two skin colors away from mine, so it's really that bright. Okay, looks a bit too thick here. Let's see how's this gonna work out. I'm just trying to follow my eyebrow line. And I'll leave it like this. And then next up, I'm gonna be using the Smudge 12-hour full coverage foundation, and I'm gonna be using it with my sponge. It's not damp. It's not a damp sponge, so I'm just okay, this is gonna take a process. Okay, now I've got my face covered My whole face is nicely covered now. And sometimes when you're using a sponge, you will have some spaces where you think the cover did not really go that well. Then if that happens, you can always use a brush just to make sure that you go in there. So since I've got sort of like a pigmentation a little bit, then I use this Almond Smudge Stick Foundation as just to do some highlights, you know, or just to make it look more natural. Let me try to do that, but to enhance my, I'm just gonna go to those areas just a little bit. Well, you can't see it because it's more or less of my skin color. Okay, I think I've got the places that I want. And then I'm also gonna quickly just come back with my concealer and just put it under my eyes. These are the places that are usually dark most of the time. So we're just trying to highlight now. We're trying to highlight. Okay, then let me try and blend this. I'm gonna first go with the brush. The brush is not really that strong, so I just have to hold it like this. We are getting there. Okay, let's go with the forehead. I'm just like pushing it on the skin. But remember, the good thing is that we have we did use we did use a primer just to make sure that our pores are not being clogged by this makeup. Okay. You see what I'm talking about? Let's just work on that. Alright, let me just finish up with the brush. Okay, I'm done with the brush. Ugh, I'm doing a mess here. I haven't closed my foundation. So that was the Smudge products, both of them, the one that I've used. And the primer was from Essence. Yeah. And then the Isabella Garcia for highlighter. Alright, so now we're gonna go into a little bit of a blush, and just wash my brush because I don't really have so many brushes here. So I've got my little blush and it's from the Avon Color Trend. It's been a while since I had it and I love it so much. So since I do not have a bronzer, I'm going to use the blush. Just a little bit. Use my mirror because I can't see well with the camera. Yeah. I'm just using. Alright. So now I just need to do my nose. Go on my chin. I'm gonna be using the brush. So don't forget about your jawline now, because we want a very smooth, natural look. So we are not leaving places unattended, you know. You just gotta cover your whole face, your whole face. Now we've got a very nice nose, and the chin is now covered. You see that? Okay, so the face is a little bit bare, and I feel like I still need a little bit of a blush here. If you have a bronzer, don't go too much on it, but this is the moment where you can put it. And then now that we're done with that, we need to work on our eyes. A little bit of an eyeliner, the old school way. So I've also got this Marcia black one. I don't really have like eyelashes that much at the bottom, so the black one always works for me. Remember, we are keeping it simple. And now, since you've got all these products on your face, you need a powder just to hold everything. You can use any powder. Just to bake and make sure that you're minimizing the shine. And like I said, this is a beginner makeup, so we do not have everything. We are utilizing what we have. Okay, just a sec. I want to do my lips now. Okay, but what I was looking for, I'm looking for the Avon color trench, but I think it's gonna be a bit too bright like this, so I'm gonna change my mind. And then I'm gonna go to the Isabella Cassia as well. I can't see what color it is anymore. And then I'm just gonna go on my lips. It's not too pink, it's just enhancing the lips. Alright, let's get ready for our final look. But currently, this is how our skin is looking like. We've got a very nice glow. Be right back. And we are done, ready for the road, ready to go anywhere, to work. We're keeping it simple, we're just enhancing our skin. So this is the result. This is the result. This is the result. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Please make sure that you do subscribe, comment on the comment section, press the notification button, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.